Meaning of frumpy.
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 Frumpy. The word frumpy is an adjective that describes someone or something that is old-fashioned, unfashionable, and dowdy in appearance. It can also refer to a person who is boring, uninteresting, or lacking in style or charisma. The term usually implies a lack of effort put into one's appearance, resulting in an overall unpolished and disheveled look. This can include outdated clothing styles, unflattering fits, and unkempt hair or makeup. Overall, someone or something that is considered frumpy is often seen as unappealing and not fashionable.